Hello, this is Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing one of my characters, the Axe Knight character that I showed you guys on one of my sketchbooks, and I wanted to draw him again because I haven't really done a video showing you guys how to draw the character. So I'm going to show you right now. So you start off with the head. The character's head. And triangle shape right here. And I'm going to draw his eyes, which is a lot different from most of my other characters. Draw the horns. I'm going to draw the neck. Because it's mostly just made out of shapes. Let's see. Draw the waistline. Going to draw like this waistline right here, like a right shape, like a rectangle. I'm going to draw. You got certain stance it does. I'm going to draw. I'm going to use crouching, like a bow stance. The shoot is kind of small. I may have to redraw it a little bit. I'm going to kind of looks like a. Do you think it looks like a Gundam? Maybe Gundams are usually more detailed than this. Draw the axe. The axe is kind of large. I have to erase some previous drawings. He's waving the axe above his head. I'm going to like expand the leg a little bit down here. That's a little better. I'm going to draw the jets back here. Yep, and that's how I drew the Axe Knight character from my sketch. I can show you guys right now. Let's see. I don't know which page it is, so I'm probably going to. You guys can just check out my sketchbook tour video if you guys remember this character, this Axe Knight character. It's kind of, I think he's a robot too. It's type of robot warrior character, just like the last one. But this one's more traditional type of knight type of character. And that's it.